According to research, back pain is an ailment that 80% of the adult population will suffer from at least once in their lifetime. And that's because the back and spine muscles support so much of the body's weight. ये muscles हमें हमेशा use करना रहता है, and for everything such as sitting, walking and standing. So in muscle space strain तो आना ही है. Now it is complicated to determine what is actually causing your back pain, and the pain can take place at your lower back, middle back, upper back or even the back of your neck. But there are methods and everyday steps that you can take to help elevate your pain or stop it from getting worse. There are a wide variety of natural remedies that we're going to talk about today, and that will help you to relieve the strain on your back muscles and protect your spine and build up your strength to help you with your back pain. Number 1, better sleeping habits. Severe back pain makes it hard to fall asleep, and lack of sleep eventually makes your back pain worse. So you might be stuck in this vicious cycle which will aggravate your back pain and also affect your health in more ways than one. Proper comfort and back alignment are essential for better sleep quality. The first thing you need to do is try sleeping on your side. और आपकी knees के बीच में एक पिलो ले लो and अपने बैक को सीधा रखो. इससे आपके बैक पे strain नहीं पड़ता. But if you're a person who likes sleeping on your back, then slide a pillow under your knees. Taking a pillow under your neck or your back puts pressure on your spine. पर अगर आप अपने knees के नीचे एक pillow रख दो तो it relieves the pressure from your back in half. So you can enjoy waking up with minimal to no back pain. Number 2, strengthen your core. We know that exercise and उसके advantages तो बहुत सारे हैं, and one of those advantages is to improve your core so you can deal with your back pain better. Exercise helps loosen tense muscle and release endorphins, which is a natural pain reliever. A daily exercise routine जो कि आपके strength training, core muscles and stretching पे focus करता है will not only help you with your existing back problems but will also prevent future back pain episodes. Number 3, good posture. I'm sure we are not the first ones to tell you that slouching is bad for you. Someone must have already nagged you about your bad posture and how you should sit upright. Well, they are right. Slumping over your keyboard while eating, lifting heavy objects and sitting for a long period of time really can put a lot of strength on your back muscles. A good posture looks after your spine and helps it to function properly. Sitting upright with your heads high and shoulders pulled back rather than slumping forward, and standing straight with your weight equally distributed on both sides of the body rather than leaning on one side. All of these simple practices will help you improve on your poor posture and will reduce the rise of back pain issues. Number 4, massage therapies. Regular massages are a very potent pain reliever option if you are suffering from chronic back pain, especially if it's related to lower back issues. Massages where the correct muscle is targeted can control the pain at its source. Soft tissue massages conducted by expert therapists can help you relieve back pain using techniques such as kneading, friction, gliding and vibrations. But it is very important कि आप वही back massage option choose करो जो आपके ailment के हिसाब से सबसे accurate हो, or it might just aggravate your back pain and make it worse. Number 5, hot and cold packs. Back pain caused due to inflammation of an injury can be treated with cold or hot packs. Ice pack can be directly applied after a strain so that it can have a numbing effect and reduce the inflammation on the injured area. On the other hand, heating pads are used so that आपके muscles relax हो जाए and so that blood flow to the affected area increase हो जाए, both of which enables healing and can provide immediate relief. However, one must be very careful while using heat packs, as using it wrongly might cause your skin to burn or even cause tissue damage. Number 6, wear comfortable shoes. Last but certainly not the least, You should switch to comfortable shoes to prevent back pain. Wearing high heels or ill-fitting shoes आपके back पे बहुत pressure डालेगा and it will result in back pain. However, wearing completely flat-footed shoes will also put similar strain on your feet and back. So it's extremely important to understand your feet type and put a lot of thought into buying the shoes that perfectly support your feet and back. One can also go to the trusted route of pain medication and pain relief creams for severe back pain, but you definitely should try more traditional tips and suggestions जो हमने आज इस वीडियो में डिस्कस किए हैं. You can also tell us about your own remedies and pieces of advice that have helped you with your back pain in the comments below. And obviously, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more healthy and helpful tips.